In this video, I'll be showing you easily how you can upload videos to your Google Drive or Dropbox and have that be repurposed to all different platforms for your social media. Now, before I get started, if you haven't already created a repurpose.io account, you can go ahead and start your free trial and start to do this with me as we go through it. So first, before you can even start a workflow, which is how we'll be automatically be repurposing this content from Google Drive and Dropbox to all the different social media platforms, you need to connect all your platforms. So you simply go to the connections tab and you just add new connection, and your screen will be empty. I already connected all mine, right? And so you just connect your TikTok account, connect your Pinterest, connect your YouTube. For me, Google Drive, I don't use Dropbox, so I just connected my Google Drive. If you are going to connect your Google Drive, you just do add connection, you just do, or your Dropbox, and you just name it, right? And then you do connect. Once you have the connections that you want for your different workflows, it's very simple. Okay, and this is the same exact process if you were to use Dropbox as well. So pay attention with me, follow through with me if you want. You can pause the video multiple times as you're going through this, but hopefully you can see just how simple this is, okay? Let me actually see, I don't think I have one, so I might actually just create one with you. So you just do create a workflow, and you would do this several times over. So Google Drive to TikTok. And then you select the source as Google Drive, and the media type is video, and the choose connection is Google Drive. And then you can actually choose a folder from Google Drive, and it's optional, but you can kind of go through and personalize this. Like, let's say if I want it to be my personal brand, and that's it. And you can just go to my folders, click my personal brand, just select. So I selected the folder that I want to use, and it says no, only videos found in this folder, not any of its subfolders, will be added. So you have to use this folder, not any of the subfolders. That's just a hint so things don't get mixed up. Okay, so when you have that all down, you just hit next. Now for choose an action, you just want to upload the video. You want to do full video, and then next. Then you want to choose a destination. This is where you'll be choosing the platform that you want to send the video to. So that's called the destination. So for this example, I could just send it to TikTok, right? And then click done. And as that's loading, it'll be finishing up this workflow, and you literally just copy and paste that same exact workflow strategy like 6 times. So you just go back and you do Google Drive to Pinterest, right? Once you set this up, it's good to go, right? You just have to check it every once in a while and make sure it didn't get disconnected. So you start with Google Drive as the source. Media type is video. Google Drive is the source. And then I'm just going to choose personal folder. Well, personal brand as the Google Drive folder. Click next. The action is upload the video and make sure it's a full video. Now we choose the destination, and I said this one is Pinterest. You can choose a board, and then if you don't already have a board, then you can just enter a new board and do create a new board. And then you're done, okay? And so every time, if I go onto my Google Drive and I upload a video onto the Google Drive in my personal brand folder, which is what I just made this workflow for, right? I can go to view content, and obviously I don't have very many videos on here. I'm not even sure what's on here, but if there's a video on there, you can literally publish it. So yeah, these are some of my YouTube videos from before. You can click publish right here. You can manually publish it, or you can set it to automatic, okay? So when you click on automatic, it means anytime you upload a video to that particular folder, it will automatically have the workflow go on its own. So you won't have to manually publish it. And so that's a different option as well. So the reason why we're showing this is because a lot of people are like, hey, I really want to upload my video to repurpose.io and then send it to all my social media. And we are working on something for that in the future. But right now, this is a simple workaround, which actually has the same exact effect as if you were doing that. You just set it up workflows with your Google Drive, or you set up workflows with your Dropbox. So let me know if you have any questions with this. It's really simple, like I said. Hopefully this helps you out so you're not struggling with, I really want to upload my video on something else before I post it to all these different social media platforms. Maybe you don't want to start with TikTok, right? Like I do. Maybe you want to start with Dropbox or Google Drive, which is totally fine. So thanks so much for joining me here today. Let me know if you have questions down below. And if you have other questions, comment down below and I can do a video on those as well, because I really want to help you see the different kinds of tutorials and things that you can do with Repurpose.io, because it really is an amazing software that I use in my personal business every single day. Thanks so much, guys. We'll see you in the next one.